day 168 done. Another day of locked in coding where I hit a new high for commits to the code base. I was just thinking about this. Generally, the trend is I keep increasing the amount of changes that I'm making per day to the code base. I think my coding, in terms of like iteration speed, is definitely accelerating, where I'm making more and more changes to the code base at a faster rate. Partially is just my own skill set. I think I'm just getting better at coding. And then the other part is like, I think you can basically just pass off so many tasks to LLMs at this point where it just gets done and you sort of just trust it. As long as I run the tests and everything seems to be working, it should be fine. I think that Opus 4.7 now at this point has gone to such a good coding that I just pass off everything. So that's been really, really nice. Honestly, not much else today. Like, fully locked in. I'm essentially just turning into a code monkey at this point. I've turned off all of the like institutional investor hunting, where I'm realizing like I think the highest leverage thing I can do right now is just code. So that's essentially what I'm doing. Today was partial order flow. I've been talking about order flow for like 2 weeks. It's like one of those things where I'm like, it's gonna take 1 day to get done, and then and now it's like week 2, and I realize there's a whole bunch of things that I need to do. There's something called TLDD. I forget what it stands for now at this point. Essentially, it allows you to track everything that goes on within order flows, all the metrics that are important to do after trade risk management. So important that I had that within the code base so that I can essentially be tracking all these metrics. And then what was the other part? Prompt management system. I'm now building out a bit more state-of-the-art system where all the prompts are being version controlled so that I can properly A/B test and say, okay, this specific prompt is doing much better than this one, and here's like deterministically why. I think not having a system like that, I've essentially been shooting from the hip when it comes to prompt management, and it's very heuristic, very just in my head. So now it's finally time to do deterministic version of that. That's it for today. Staying focused. See you tomorrow.